First day shopping here at the Champs Elysees. This is like the hip store. You have Nike, you have all the cool clothes.
We're about to go to the Megastore, see what's goody.
Jaycationers, we finally made it here to the Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. Hey Maddie, what do you think? Paris overrated? Just landed in Paris. Bonjour, Paris.
Be right back. I gotta go. I gotta go to my home real quick. I gotta go hit my homie.
Look at that backpack, it says Paris.
After a quick hour-and-a-half flight from Lourdes, we got to Paris in no time. Our only problem was that our away luggage got damaged in transport. Fortunately, Away has the best warranty guarantee and we were able to switch it out for a new one. On the taxi ride over to our Airbnb, listen to what happened on the highway.
Oh!
Who was that?
Fortunately for us, we happened to be on the far left lane, just in front of the two cars who smashed into each other. It happened to the right of us in the middle lane, but our taxi was untouched and we continued on our way to the 17th Arrondissement.
What up, Jaycationers? We're out here in Paris. We just checked into our Airbnb. They were nice enough to let us check in early. We got here at 10 o'clock and they let us check in, so thanks to them. Special shout out to them. Beautiful Airbnb. It's up top. It's up there somewhere. It's like the top floor up there. Alright, so me and Joel just picked up a few essentials at Carrefour City.
We got the
Orangina, and then we got some French chips.
Yes, sir.
Some cheesy chips. I love it. Yep. You gotta try these cheesy chips. They're like called croustilles or something like that.
Hey, sponsor them.
Sponsor me, Jaycation. So we're back in the apartment. Joel's gonna try these chips for the first time. I've had them already, so I know how good they are.
Don't schmack.
On this trip, I wanted to try riding the bus to get around, so I bought the 10-pack of metro tickets for around €16.90 and hopped the bus to the 16th Arrondissement. Turns out to be a nice scenic ride to the Arc de Triomphe.
Alright, so that's the first time we actually tried the bus system here. Pretty simple to use. Got to the Champs Elysees really quick. From where we're at, we're in the 17th Arrondissement. I don't know how to say it. I'm never going to be able to speak French. I got a D in French in 8th grade. I'd be dripping in Tom Ford if I had that money. Alright, I know you viewers always give me crap on the comments about liking Vapianos, but I love Vapianos and a lot of other people love Vapianos. So we're headed to Vapianos today. So after 10 days in Italy, I'm kind of pasted out and I've been eating really bad, so I really feel that I need to have a salad today. I got the Caesar Scampi.
4 formaggi.
4 formaggi. Patatitas.
Patatitas.
So I got the chicken Alfredo, but it was originally with fusilli, but I exchanged it for linguine, and I added some shrimp and some chili to it, so it's pretty good.
They do.
Tagliatelle bolognese with pepper, hot chili, and a bunch of cheese.
Bon appetit, buddy.
Merci beaucoup.
So this entire trip, me and Gelo have been in search of a Lion King shirt, but not a regular Lion King shirt.
It's got to say El Rey Leon.
Or Leroy Leon, like that. So we've been in search for it, but like we haven't found it. But in Madrid, there's an El Rey Leon play, and I'm going to Madrid. I might try to get that shirt. So let's flash forward and see if I got it. Let's hope. That's the shirt. That's the shirt we were looking for. It's got the El Rey Leon in it. And here we go. Here's the PSG store. First shopping in Champs Elysees. Alright guys, so we're here at the PSG store. I just picked up a white PSG hat. It was 30% off. So I'm happy.
I see potential in the display.
In search of?
In search of a shirt that doesn't say The Lion King, but instead Le Roi Lion or El Rey. Let's hope. I'm praying.
First day shopping here at the Champs Elysees. I just found that PSG hat. Everything else has kind of been disappointing. I haven't seen anything I wanted yet. Dang, that is crazy that there's a line just to get into the Louis. Me and Gelo were supposed to go to the Parc des Princes where the PSG plays, and we took the wrong way, so we had to get off, but we spotted it right away, and there's a mall near where we're going right now, so we're gonna check out that mall instead. Yeah, so we just found this random mall called So Ouest, and there's like Bershka, Pull&Bear, and Zara here, so we'll go see how it is. Bonjour, Jaycationers. So we faded into sleep last night at our beautiful Airbnb here in the 17th Arrondissement. We're headed over to the stadium of PSG, and we're gonna check out their Megastore and see what kind of gear they got, because y'all already know I like to dress up in this PSG black and white gear. We just got dropped off at the Lycée Claude Bernard, took the PC bus over here. It was about a 20-minute bus ride, and now we're about a 4-minute walk. We're in the 16th Arrondissement, and there's 3 different stadiums. There's a tennis stadium, a rugby stadium, and the PSG football stadium that seats 46,000 people. What up, bro?
What's good? So we're about to go to the Megastore, see what's goody. I was gonna cop a shirt yesterday at the PSG store, but you know, I think I can find something better here.
Although I'm not much of a PSG fan, I do really like the Air Jordan PSG collaboration line, which I mostly bought online with a discount. Over at the PSG Megastore, I was able to find a nice Parc des Princes hoodie and a PSG beanie that I couldn't find online.
Alright, so me and Gelo just picked up a few souvenirs from the PSG Megastore.
Just a couple shirts.
Bam! I got he got a couple shirts, and I got the hoodie. I failed to bring a hoodie or anything long sleeves on this trip, so I had to buy something because it's kind of windy, kind of cold, and if I don't have anything to keep me warm, I might get sick. So I got a hoodie, nice excuse, right? And a beanie, and a Jordan black beanie that I can't find anywhere. And this guy got 2 shirts.
Yeah, I got the Parc des Princes shirt, and I got a PSG logo tee.
Sick. Alright, we're gonna check out the front of the stadium now. Midday here in Paris, guys. We're here in our Airbnb. Beautiful Airbnb, bright. We're in the very top of building here, and it overlooks the street, and it's just a really great view. Oh, it's awesome. And we're sleeping over here in the living room, me and Gelo. My parents got another room, and my aunts and uncles got the other place. And yeah, this is a really nice Airbnb in the 17th Arrondissement. We're gonna head over to the opera area and go shopping now. Alright, we're just getting out of the metro. A little tip, when you guys are taking the metro and you're following your Google Maps to get to a certain place, make sure you take the exit that it tells you. So my exit's at Rue de Champs-Martin. If you get out to the top, you might get a little lost. So try to look for the exit that it'll take you to, because you might end up in like a different part of the street, and then you'll get even more lost. Save yourself a little time. Follow what it says on Google Maps.
The opera area is one of my favorite parts of Paris to shop. It has all the stores that I love to visit and is a really nice area to spend part of your day exploring. I ended up at Citadium and picked up this awesome Bolt tee.
Me and Gelo just walked into this store called Citadium, and we spent the last 2 hours there, and they have some really cool stuff. This is like the hip store. You have Nike, you have all the cool clothes. You gotta check it out. It's here in the Opera area, and it's huge. It's like 4 floors up, and it's cool. It's popping. This is where I'd go if I were in a younger crowd. Hit this place up. Shopping's gone crazy. Just got a pair of pants at Zara.
We're at the top of the Galleries Lafayette, and we're just overlooking the whole city of Paris.
The rooftop of Galleries Lafayette has one of the best free views in all of Paris. From the terrace, you can see a view of the Eiffel Tower in the distance and the beautiful Opera House directly in front of you.
So we're here in the famous rooftop of Galleries Lafayette, overlooking the Eiffel Tower and the rest of Paris. So many people around here to take a look at it because it's free. You just got to get all the way to the 7th floor and then to the terrace of Galleries Lafayette. You've seen this on the vlog before.
After snapping a few pictures, you can head down to the department store and get lost in each of the 8 floors.
Alright, now that we've gone shopping in the Opera area, we're gonna head over to our favorite falafel spot, La Du Falafel. So me and Gelo made it over to the Ile de Saint Louis area, well, across from it at least.
La Du Falafel is a staple in Paris, and their quick and friendly service makes for a great meal. With celebrities like Lenny Kravitz on the wall, this is the most famous shawarma place in all of Paris.
Yes, sir.
Got the shawarma, and then we got some fries, but it's all in the sauce. Ketchup, mayonnaise, and hot sauce.
It's the chicken curry, coach. Yes, sir. Hey, but I don't get any vegetables.
We're headed over to the Eiffel Tower. Now in the past I've like hustled the guys over there that sell you the wine, but it's crappy wine and they try to oversell you. So instead I just went to the shop, got this for €5, and I'm set. We're set. Hopefully this just twists off. But we're gonna hit the 69 bus over to the Tour Eiffel. Let's go.
Unfortunately, I needed a wine opener for the bottle, but I ended up bribing one of the wine sellers at the Eiffel Tower to use his wine opener. Although you can take a metro to the Eiffel Tower from the Marais, the 69 bus takes you on a scenic route. On the way, you will have a great view of the glass pyramid in front of the Louvre and pass by the Les Invalides and Army Museum. Finally, you get dropped off right next to the side entrance of the Champs de Mars.
What did you do here 2 years ago?
Cracked my phone on the dirt trail.
Hey look, there's a top deck bus. This is the first time I ever went. No, second time I went here. Jaycationers, we finally made it here to the Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower with Gelo. We were here 2 years ago. Also, there's a top deck bus over there. I did a top deck tour here like 8 years ago, I think. And just brings back the memories. But we're gonna go meet up with the fam now. They should be out on the lawn somewhere. And we got all our gear, all our shopping gear with us. Jumping pigs.
It is raining.
It's about to start straight up raining. I gotta put this away. Holy crap, I gotta put away this. I gotta put away the freaking camera. We're gonna melt. Oh, alright guys, so the rain let up a little bit. Got the La Du Falafel cup with the wine we picked up over at the market. The Chardonnay over at the Supermarché. Before we hit the bus. €4. Mahdi's here.
What up? Got my Chardonnay.
Hi, we're in a light show at the Eiffel Tower. This is my second time.
Hey, Marty, what do you think? Paris overrated?
A little bit.
Wow, he still said it's overrated. What about this though? Is this overrated?
No, this is, I like this. But then again, I still love Barcelona.
Hey, what's your middle name? What? He won't even say it. What is it, Jello? Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oh, yeah, we're celebrating Napoleon Bonaparte's birthday too.
It's over. It's over and that's it.
That's it?
That's it. No more. Wala na.
That's it? Nah?
Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments below about Paris or anywhere else, let me know. And also, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of great content coming up around Europa. We'll see you in the next video. Jaycationers, au revoir.